We're going over to ST Exotics over here in Rosemead, California to check out their showroom, and I think they're going to bring out a car. So
we gotta give them the dope shout out, because for them to do this is a lot.
yeah, it does. And their Instagram is at ST Exotics in Rose.
You almost had an endo.
Did I?
Almost had a little stoppie on us.
I don't think so.
Valley, so we're taking a ride.
Yep, taking a ride on Valley, and it shouldn't. It's right after Easy Street.
Like the wheelies on the BMW.
Yeah, Easy Street, baby.
Go for it.
Just make sure there's no camera on the light.
Like they're catching that plate anyway.
It's true, but if there's cops hanging around, and I don't want to get popped for nothing.
Here on the right?
No, it's on the left, after Easy Street.
Oh, I see, right here. Left.
Yeah, there it is, baby.
Oh my God, there's the Pagani. Right in the front, right on time, baby. Oh yeah, they got the fucking works, broski, don't they? What's this? Aventador? No, that's a Huracan, right? They got the works, broski.
Yeah. ST Exotics, Rosemead, California. This is our board, Johnny. Oh. Wow.
This is it, man.
This is the most fire interior I've ever seen in my life. Holy shit.
What?
It's the best interior I've ever seen.
What's this?
This, if you put it up, you move the seat.
Ah, okay. Dude, this looks like a rocket ship.
Yeah. And also the build. Like the wrist build.
Wow.
Johnny, what's your Instagram for everybody so they know how to get a hold of you?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Instagram, my blog.
Oh, okay. Well, what about the ST Exotics Instagram?
How about Instagram?
What is the ST Exotics Instagram?
ST Exotic.
All right, it's just at ST Exotics.
Yeah, ST Exotic.
They got the Pagani. Nobody's got this shit. This is exclusive. Straight up exclusive. The 918, you can't sleep on this either. Oh my God. I love the 918.
We're gonna take a lot for next year. Not next year, start, like January.
That's next month. Wow.
That's a good model.
Yeah.
We take this car to the track.
Yeah? Fun?
Yeah, it's fine.
918 Spider over here at ST Exotics in Rosemead, California. This is their 918 Spider they have for sale. Got obviously a lot of extra carbon bits, and oh my God, it's amazing. Yeah, I gotta get a row of these ones out here too, man. Let me get it on camera real quick before I turn the camera off. The Rolls-Royce Phantom has so much presence. I love these things. I don't know if this is a Wraith or what. I don't really know them that well. Got the nice little GT3. The Huracan. He said it was a special edition Huracan. I don't know what the special edition name is. I know it's a 610-4 though. We got out to Ferrari, California. What's this little Maserati? Beamer. The new Lambo Urus. I know a lot of people are looking for these. Anybody wants to buy one? There is a beautiful blue one here at ST Exotics. And we're heading to the canyon today. This thing looks nice too. Oh. The V8 bi-turbo. C63S. That looks sexy. This is a sexy looking car. So this is ST Exotics, Rosemead, California. You guys want the supercars? They got them. I love that Huracan. Alright, Max Wrist out. We'll show you guys the footy from later today. You're gonna love it. Way up too. Oh my god! Did I get that on camera? Yeah, I did, baby!
Wanna lead the way?
No, I don't know where I'm going.
Me either.
You don't? You could just go, Valley will go straight to the highway, I think.
Then I go.
Oh, sketch!
Fucked them both up, basically.
Hello. And then 20 on.
She said you got a nice car. What edition Huracan is this again? What is the edition of this Huracan? Avio Series Speciale, 1 of 250. Nice.
Thank you, Ethan.
Doesn't even know the road. ST Exotics just pulling through.
That was a cop.
What?
That was a cop.
Where?
They went the other way. No, I was on the other side of the fucking road too because I was turning on my GoPro. But he's not turning around.
The Lambo?
Yeah, he saw everything.
You know it. You know it. I did. I flirped. I flirped the nerd, baby.
He's going so slow. Oh yeah, he's got a pull. Oh, I didn't know you were behind me. He's got some pull-offs here.
Well, we gotta go find Rick.
Oh yeah, we gotta go to the top first. Hopefully he'll do a flyby right now. How to mark a Lambo 101, baby. Right into the rocks, baby. The Crystal Lake Straight. The Crystal Lake Straight's coming up. Oh, can I get him? Can I turn around and get him?
Straight.
No, straight.
Straight. Go, go, go.
No Ricky Rick. So I said we stop up here and have a smoke. God, that Huracan looks fucking good. Yeah, he told me. How do you like the road though? It's fun, isn't it?
It's really clean.
Yeah, it's fun. This is the best canyon.
First time here.
Take a look. Thanks, Johnny. That Huracan, man, look at it right now. Look at this. Look at the way the light's hitting it. The straight. That's the only thing he's gonna do. That's the only place he's gonna take this Lambo at any speed. Oh, he's ripping into the turn. He even fucked it up and still made it. Mountain, Lambo, let's go. like when you get any open real estate, you're like, all right, it's time. Oh shit, I forgot about this turn. No, he stuck it. Oh yeah. He didn't tip it on the way up. Pretty impressive. Oh, he messed that turn up. So did I. Your turn.
Yeah, it is. I love it.
I thought about it again. Rock. Oh shit, he moved it right under me. No, no. Hey, Dad? Dude, these leaves on slow-mo are gonna be dope. Oh, they're wiping me, dude. I know, right? Dude, the interior was the best thing I've ever seen.
You got a motorcycle coming up.
Behind us?
Head on.
Oh. Let's hope the Lambo don't mess it up. Is my camera running? Rick just catches up to us. Rick fucking passes us all. Whoa, nice. Haha. 2-incher.
What?
2-incher. That up. Shit.
What?
That turn I took was a little wild. Tires should be scrubbied up though. Keep going. I got a straight coming up, baby. I got a date with a straight. Hey, can you pull forward a little bit more? Yeah, man, this is our little straightaway here. That one's actually longer on that side. Yeah, we're just gonna do this straight a few times with him, and then we can do some other stuff.
That's what.
Go that way. Taking off pretty fast. Oh, there's a car. This is our little turnaround spot. Yeah, he took off pretty good on me there at the beginning. Lamborghini Huracan 610-4. Were there cars behind us, Rick?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, there was. Huracan's pretty quick to max pass.
Yeah, I'm thinking it is too.
It's hard to pass in a wheelie.
Yeah.
It's pretty quick. How's the boogeyman running, Rick?
Fucking boogeyman's rocking. Special thanks to Woodcroppers.
You saw that, Rick?
Woo!
You saw that?
Yeah, I saw that right behind you.
I was getting a little sideways there.
Yeah. Max Wrist. That's Max Wrist up there. You guys know who that is? Look.
Dude, that thing's fast. It was hard to keep up.
How'd you do, buddy?
I think we did pretty good. Can you turn that off? The other side, just hit the red button once.
Next time. Next time.
That was the sickest one over there when I held a long time and finally passed you at the end. It was sick.
PJ.
I was kind of far away though.
PJ, next time PJ drive.
Yeah.
Not a good driver. PJ is crazy.
Yeah, good.
That better has
He's like me too.
you.
But it's hard. It's gonna be hard to wheelie him because it's even hard to wheelie past you. So I mean, regular straight though, I think I got him. Cause I was cooking through here going down. You saw that? And that turn, I go pretty fast into that one.
Oh, he's stopping at this fucking light. Yes. Nice. Yeah, I'll murk him here. Why not? True. Damn it, dude. This could be your moment. I could be recording you. At the light right behind you. Are you at, is that Temple City? I am, yeah. Dude, I just murked the fuck out of him. Say what? Left here. I mean, I already murked him. I don't think we need a double murker. Yeah, you're right. One more. I got the McLaren, Rick, baby. 50 miles per hour. Yeah, we overshot Temple's shitty. Dude, I murked him. Yes. Yeah, we did, because this is Rosemead.
How the fuck we did?
Cut these people.
Every road.
Cut these fuck faces. Dude, what? Dun, 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 dun.
Nice pass on it?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Oh, I fucking murked him out, bro. Dude, how fucking funny was that? I was like, let's take a ride.
What happened to the white? I made a full stop and took off at like 50 miles per hour and stayed at that speed. How was it possible that
Oh, because the second you took off, they got the green, and I wasn't like right behind you at that point. And then all the cars went, and then I saw the McLaren, and then I got the murky murk, baby. Ooh, +1. Little 650S just got the fucking murk, dude. Oh my god. Alright, is your camera? You should turn it on so we can finish this vlog. Wait, what? Is it on? Ah, man, my wrists are fucking flossed up, tossed up, bro.
Went for it?
Alright, homies. Max, homies. Yo, massive shout out to the patrons. What a fucking day. But thank you so much, patrons, for supporting us. We should end every video giving you guys a shout out because you guys kick ass, man. Couldn't thank you enough. But shout out to the world. And anyway, so today was fucking nuts.
We had a fucking crazy day.
We had a fucking crazy day. Started off with us going to ST Exotics. They let us pick out the car we wanted to take, which happened to be an Avio Edition Huracan. I have mirrors. I can see when my camera's on. No, you can't. Anyways, we went to ST Exotics and we took it up to Azusa. Got a couple runs in. Unfortunately, had some tire problems. It's our first patron ride. Oh yeah. First in LA. First time someone's come over. Like a mini Max camp, baby.
What?
It's like a mini Max camp. But anyways, guys, we're gonna cut the vlog here. But yeah, an amazing fucking day. Shout out to ST Exotic.
You guys kick ass. And also, always shop MaxRist.com, baby. Baby, shop MaxRist.com. Get the freshest gloves. Get the freshest brake socks. You know it.